This is a review of the iPhone 15 Pro Max 1 terabytes. And what I love about this phone is that it really is a fantastic phone if you are planning on recording, or you're a vlogger or a traveler or a YouTuber that do a lot of photography recording. This is probably one of the best iPhones you could buy till today. And what I love about this iPhone is that it comes with a 6.7-inch Retina display, and it is 1 terabytes like I mentioned. Right off when you open the box, you see the black titanium finish. I love the black titanium finish because it makes the whole phone look very, it looks like a very good looking phone. You can feel how it is super soft to the touch. It comes with 3 cameras. One is a 1x, a 2x, a 3x camera. Now, right off the bat, you can see that it comes with the iPhone itself, the 15 Pro Max. Then also right over here, you can see that it comes with the USB port. And this right here is sold separately. You have to buy this individually. So it does come with the Apple stickers, the iPhone, and it comes with the USB port. Right from here, then you see you get the iPhone, and I'm gonna go take this out and show it to you guys more in depth. So you can see how beautiful the 6.7-inch Retina display phone looks like. I love the quality of this phone. It feels super soft to the... So you can see the 6.7-inch Retina display. I love how this phone feels. It feels super soft. I love it. And it has 3 cameras like I mentioned. So when you open up the home screen, it really takes you to pretty much the home screen. The quality of the camera is really nice. I could show you a little demo. You can see how beautiful the camera looks like. I love the design and overall feeling of this phone. It's like one of the best phones you could buy. And it comes with a 5x thing where you can zoom out, 1x, and then 2x, and then 3x, all the way to the max 5. That's like the most highest amount you could zoom in. I just love the whole overall appearance of this phone. I would highly recommend this phone if you are a traveler, vlogger, or a YouTuber, or you do photography for a living. This iPhone 15 Pro Max 1 terabyte is definitely one of the best phones till today. And I just overall just love the features of this phone. It comes with the unlimited storage. Like I mentioned, the storage is like unlimited depending on how you use it. And I just love overall the 6.7-inch Retina display. The black titanium finish is one of the best features. I love the color of the finish of this phone. It gives a little satin appearance. And yeah, I love this phone and would highly recommend the iPhone 15 Pro Max for anyone that is interested in buying a new phone or they want to upgrade from their existing phone.